Welcome to our channel, where we will explore together the incredible power of prayer and how it can transform our lives. Hello, beloved friends who follow this space of connection and reflection. Today, I'm here to share moments of inspiration and light. In a world full of challenges, it is essential to seek the light that resides within us. Let's explore together messages that lift the spirit and illuminate the paths of our journey. Get ready for an experience that will touch your heart, and it will remind us of the beauty that exists even in the most challenging situations. Welcome to this moment of faith, light and positivity. Special messages of light and faith for you. Dear friend, amidst life's uncertainties, remember that light is always present, even in the deepest darkness. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and every obstacle is a chance to reveal your inner strength. May your journey be illuminated by a light that transcends the shadows, guiding you towards a path of peace, love and plenitude. Be open to receiving and sharing the light that lives within you, because it is through this that you can make a difference in the world. Just as stars light up the night sky, your inner light can dispel the darkness around you. Cultivate compassion, gratitude and kindness, as these are the virtues that make the light more radiant in your life and the lives of those around you. Don't forget that every day is a new opportunity to learn, grow and spread the light you carry. Trust the process of life, because even in the most challenging situations, there are valuable lessons to be learned. May your journey be illuminated by a light that transcends the shadows, guiding you towards a path of peace, love and plenitude. Be open to receiving and sharing the light that lives within you, because it is through this that you can make a difference in the world. May light and faith guide your steps and illuminate your path always. You are a precious spark in this vast universe. May your light shine brightly, now and always. I thank each and every one of you for joining us in this special time of reflection and inspiration. May the messages of light we share here continue to echo in your hearts, guiding you in moments of darkness and increasing joy in days of light. If this content resonated with you, leave your comments sharing how the light manifests in your lives. Always remember, the light we seek outside ourselves often already resides within. Until the next meeting, may light and peace be with us all. Thank you very much and stay well. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, share and activate the bell.